Hi, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're breaking a case. I wish it was a case for him. A box of 2011 Bowman Draft Baseball. Gonna try to pull the hot rookie of the moment. Breaking it for Paul. We have the cutter thing. Here, I can just do it on this. We're good to go.
Yep.
Javier red and a superfractor wouldn't be bad either, right? Paul, what do you want out of this? Do you want every card? Do you want all the prospect cards? The chrome cards? Colored chrome cards? Or just let me know as we go through. Carpenter, Chisenhall, Luis Lopez Chrome, Francisco Lindor Chrome, Barnes, Anton, and Thomore. Nicasio, Pastano, a Josh Lindblom Chrome, a Matt Barnes Refractor, Blake Swihart, Nick Cuifo, I don't remember his name, and Trevor Story.
Oh, nice. You got a Story.
Give me a soft sleeve if you
These
would.
are thick. These are 130. There you go. Goods.
Well, if you'll do friends and family, that's better on our end. But that's up to you. Oh, no, it should be good. Dwayne Below, Wieland, Brian Shaw Chrome rookie card, Kellen Moan, Austin Meadows, Javarius Reynolds, Kyle Crick. I can give you a better image on the Story if you want. Brandon Gomes, Alex White, De Los Santos Chrome, Trevor Bauer Chrome, Trevor Clifton, John Hicks, and Joe Demers. De Los Santos regular, Andy Dirks, Esquiel Carrera, Adam Ehrlich, Tyler Goodell, Josh Parr, and a George Springer.
All right, awesome. I got it.
Tim Collins, Graham Godfrey, Alan Johnson, Chrome, James Harris Chrome, Bubba Starling, Mike Matuk, and Matthew Skoll. Oh, I had the Chrome separate. Eduardo Sanchez, regular, Salvador Perez Chrome, Kenneth Peoples Walls Chrome, Justin James color, Kevin Matthews, Colton Wong, Cody Ashe. And the Justin James number 7 out of 499. What's up, David?
How are you?
Doing well.
I'm listening.
I'm online here. Give me just a couple minutes.
You're fine.
Cody Guerin, Jared Dyson, Brandon Colbreth, Ryan Adams Rookie card refractor. Larry Green, Christian Pelez, and Jose Fernandez, first Bowman. Jose Iglesias, Mark Hamilton, Josh Colmenter, William Abreu, Dwight Smith Paper, Madison Bohr, and Travis Harrison. Salvador Perez, Alan Johnson, Charlie Furbush, Kevin Quackenbush, Chrome, Tony Segrani, Kyle Goodell, and Riley Unruh. This one doesn't want to come open. Maybe there's a better card there. Alex Presley, Bruce Billings, Anthony Recker, George Springer Chrome, Stephen Ferranaro, Lance Jeffries, and Hudson Boyd Paper. Charlie Blackmon, Andrew Brown, John Hicks Chrome, Josh Colmenter Refractor, Justin James, Bryson Brigman, Matthew Bagel. I'm surprised Story isn't more than $3 by now. Kyle Sager, Lance Lynn, Jose Iglesias, Danny Toussaint Refractor, Brandon Martin, Zach Collins, and Tyler Pill. Justin Sellers, Brian Broderick Chrome, Pratt Maynard, Eric Timms Blue, number 367 out of 499. There we go. Matt Vogel, Francisco Lindor, and Chase Larson. Tom Wilhelmsen, Brandon Kinster, Jacob Turner. The autograph is Keenan Walker, Chicago White Sox. Yeah, sorry, could have been better. David Goforth, Jake Jarvis, and Trevor Bauer. I'll be with you in just a couple minutes. I'm actually doing a live break right at the moment. Give me just a minute. We're almost done. Lance Pendleton, Jerry Sands. Oh, too bad that wasn't the... We have an orange. William Abreu.
Abreu,
Yeah, probably. Number 20 out of 25. Sean Gilmartin, Dom Nunez, and Christopher Lee. Oops, put this in the paper. Craig Kimbrell, Mike Moustakas, Tom Wilhelmsen, Trevor Story Refractor, Kellen Moan, CJ Cron, and James Harris. That one looks pretty good. Centering looks good, and the surface There's just a tiny little surface imperfection there, but beyond that, looks nice. De La Rosa, Rodriguez, Michael Stutz, Sean Gilmartin, Will Lamb, Adam Ehrlich, and Jed Bradley. Tony Watson, Josh Colmenter, Dwayne Below, Nick DeSantiago, Dan Gamache, Adam Pabst, and William Abreu. Henderson Alvarez, Anthony Recker, Trayvon Robinson, Tyler Goodell, Tyler Alamo, Mason Hope, and Jack Armstrong. Everett Tiford, Todd Frazier, Jason Kipnis Chrome, Carl Thamore Chrome, Archie Bradley, Scott Woodward, and Blake Snell. Henry Sosa, Nathan Evaldi, Harold Riggins, Salvador Perez, Refractor, Mike Wright, Brandon Nemo, and Jace Peterson. Kevin Whelan, Eric Timms, Alex White, Matt Scully, Sean Buckley, Robert Stevenson, and Nicholas Delmonico. Leave out 5 and 25 if you would. Eli, Josh Judy, Javi Guerrera, Carlson Sands, Danny Toussaint, Nick Ahmed, and Harold Riggins. And I'll go through and show the hits out of the box here. Josh Colmenter Refractor, Danny Toussaint Refractor, Salvador Perez Refractor, Trevor Story Refractor.
Because it's just glaring out the light.
Better like that, sorry. William Abreu Orange, Keenan Walker Autograph, Eric Timms Blue, Ryan Adams Refractor, Justin James Blue, Trevor Story, and Matt Barnes. Well, Paul, thanks for buying. We'll get these out to you. If you can let Tony know if you want any other cards out of the base or Chrome, or if you want them all,